It's also important to expose your puppy to different ages, races, and genders of people, as well as people with disabilities or in uniform. The second step in socializing your puppy is to expose them to different animals. Take your puppy to dog parks or other areas where they can interact with other dogs. This will help them learn how to interact with other animals and will also help them understand their place in the pack. It's also important to expose your puppy to other animals such as cats, rabbits, birds, and even livestock, to help them learn how to interact with other species. The third step in socializing your puppy is to expose them to different environments. Take your puppy on car rides, walks in the city, and hikes in the countryside.